Near Sagittarius, a star, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way, scientists have detected something strange. It's not just any object. It changes shape. It defies expectations. And it's been orbiting the black hole in ways that don't fully make sense. Some scientists think it might be a cloud of gas. Others think it's something more, much more. A few even whisper the possibility that it's an artificial probe, placed there deliberately. Now, before we dive into the X7 object, we need to understand where it is. At the center of our galaxy lies there is Sagittarius A, a monster, a black hole over 4 million times the mass of our Sun. It's 26,000 light-years away from Earth, hidden behind clouds of gas, dust, and mystery. Despite its distance, Sagittarius A star exerts incredible gravitational influence. It pulls stars into tight orbits, some of which complete a full loop in just 16 years. It's one of the best places in the universe to study how gravity behaves under extreme conditions. But recently, researchers looking at this region noticed something unusual. In 2020, astronomers from UCLA's Galactic Center Group reported observing a strange object dubbed X7. At first glance, X7 looked like a cloud of gas. It seemed to stretch out and become elongated, almost like taffy being pulled. But the more they observed, the stranger it became. X7 didn't behave like any gas cloud should. It has a mass about 50 times that of Earth, but its size is deceptive. It stretches over thousands of astronomical units. It's moving on an extremely eccentric orbit, meaning it gets very close to the black hole and then swings far out. But instead of breaking apart when it neared Sagittarius A star, as many gas clouds do, it stayed together. Even more oddly, its shape keeps changing as it moves, stretched, compressed, twisted, almost like it's responding intelligently to gravitational forces. So what is X7? It's just gas. The simplest explanation is that X7 is a tidally stretched gas cloud being distorted by the immense gravity of Sagittarius A star. But if that's true, then it should have dispersed or broken apart long ago. Gas clouds near black holes don't last long, yet X7 has been stable for decades. Another theory is that X7 was born when two stars merged together. In this scenario, the collision created a shroud of dust and gas around a new star, explaining its changing shape. But this still doesn't fully explain the object's mass, orbit, and longevity. But some scientists believe that X7 isn't natural? X7 is not a cloud, but a craft. An artificial object designed to observe Sagittarius, A star, from close proximity. But why? Because black holes aren't just destructive forces. They're also cosmic laboratories, ideal places to observe the fabric of space-time. A sufficiently advanced civilization could be drawn to one for research energy harvesting, or even communication, using gravitational waves. And if such a civilization wanted to monitor the black hole, they'd need something durable, adaptable, and stable. X7 behaves exactly like that. Let's break down the strange behaviors of X7 that lean toward the artificial. First, structural cohesion. Under extreme gravity, gas clouds near black holes get torn apart quickly due to tidal forces. But X7 has held together, as if there's something inside maintaining its shape. Could there be an internal structure? A force field? A shell? Something is preventing it from dissolving. Second, adaptive morphology. Its changing shape isn't random. It seems strategic. It stretches and contracts depending on its position in orbit. Could this be a method of gravitational steering? Or perhaps it's adjusting to maintain orbit or hide its core. Third, non-Keplerian motion. Some astrophysicists have pointed out that parts of its movement don't perfectly match Newtonian expectations. It's subtle but enough to raise eyebrows. If true, that could hint at active propulsion or some kind of compensating mechanism, which shouldn't exist in a natural cloud. Fourth, its location. Let's not forget where X7 is, the center of the Milky Way. If you wanted a galactic listening post, that's the ideal place. It's gravitationally quiet in terms of movement. You can stay in orbit for millennia, undisturbed by stars or comets. It's a hub, like the central station of the galaxy. It's the perfect hiding spot. But why would aliens monitor Sagittarius A? Let's say, for a moment, that X7 is an alien artifact. Why monitor a black hole? Here are some leading possibilities. 1. Information collection. Black holes warp space-time and emit unique radiation. An advanced species might set up observation stations to study the quantum nature of gravity, or even the multiverse. 2. Galaxy-wide navigation. The center of the Milky Way is a gravitational beacon. Think of it as a cosmic GPS anchor. A probe there could serve as a navigation relay for ships crossing vast interstellar distances. 3. Energy source. Black holes release tremendous energy through accretion disks and relativistic jets. These might be harnessed for unimaginable power levels. Maybe that's what X7 is doing, mining or extracting information from Sagittarius A star. 4. Surveillance. If Earth was ever to become spacefaring, wouldn't it make sense for someone to already be watching? Just as we watch planets in our solar system, an alien civilization may be watching us, from a safe distance, cloaked in mystery near a black hole. And what better disguise than something mistaken for a gas cloud? Of course, most scientists aren't ready to jump to the alien probe conclusion. And for good reason. The idea that X7 is a gas cloud, albeit a weird one, is still simpler than assuming alien technology. No radio signals, no infrared pulses, no strange heat signatures. If X7 is artificial, it's not broadcasting anything detectable, but that might be by design. Astronomers are keeping a close eye on X7. In fact, it's expected to pass dangerously close to Sagittarius A star in the next few decades. That moment could be critical. If it gets shredded, it's probably natural. But if it adapts, or changes course, or disappears mysteriously, that would be a game changer. New telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and the upcoming Extremely Large Telescope in Chile may provide sharper insights into objects like X7. We're on the brink of being able to see in exquisite detail what lies in the heart of our galaxy. Don't forget, the universe is a strange place. X7 might just be a bizarre cloud of gas dancing to gravity's tune. Or it could be something else. A watchful eye at the galaxy's heart, a silent sentinel, a remnant of something far more advanced than us. Maybe we'll never know. Or maybe, just maybe, X7 is the first hint that we're not alone, and never have been. What do you think X7 is? A natural oddity? A cloaked probe? Or something we haven't even imagined yet? Let us know in the comments. The truth is out there, orbiting a black hole.